All right, so today I'm going to show you how to take a headlamp mounted RFID tag off a headlamp. What you need is a mild solvent. Here's a good example. National brand. You're going to need microfiber towel, and you're going to need a fingernail, pretty much. And it should be all you need to take it off. I wouldn't use Goo Gone. I wouldn't use any heavy solvents. And the reason why I wouldn't use like Goo Gone in particular is Goo Gone can actually discolor the headlamp, and you don't want to do that to somebody's high-end vehicle. So to start, find an edge, pick that edge up, and what it's going to do is it's going to take the top layer of the tag off. All of my tags have a break-on removal feature. So the top layer releases, the bottom layer, which contains the antenna of the tag, is intact and still on there. We'll remove the top layer. Take your mild solvent. Hit it with the mild solvent. Kind of ball up your microfiber towel, and then in a circular motion, rub it, and what will happen is it'll start to pill up. And as it pills up, it'll start to come off. So as you can see, it's starting to come off in small pieces. This is just the adhesive that sticks on the headlamp that's coming off. You can see a little bit of it pilling up on the microfiber towel. So I use microfiber towel because I don't want to scratch the headlamp, and I use Windex because it's mild enough that it's not going to discolor or do anything. But I won't lie, it does take a little elbow grease to take this off. As you can see, I'm making progress. It's going to be off shortly. There's the chip. Take one more spritz, and we're good to go. And that's that. Tag's off, and ready to put a new tag on, or if you're selling the vehicle, you're ready to release the vehicle to the wild. Here's an alternate way of taking the headlamp tag off of a vehicle if you need to. Before I showed you using Windex and a microfiber towel. That takes a little bit of elbow grease. There's an alternate way if you can find, and I'll put a link in the video description, one of these. So this is a scraper, but instead of a metal blade like you usually see, these are plastic blades. So the plastic blade on the scraper is not going to mar, or shouldn't mar, or cut or do anything bad to the headlamp. So if you're careful with this, take about quarter or half of the time it would take normally rub the tag off of the vehicle. So the first thing you want to do is grab a corner, take that corner, peel off the top layer, and then take your scraper and slowly scrape off that adhesive. Do the same thing on the other side. And you can see it doesn't take much to pick up the edge, and then just work your way across and take that tag off. Right, so just peeled off and came off relatively easy. So any of the existing residue that's at the end, just hit it with the Windex real quick. Let it soak in for 10 seconds or so, and then rub, and that should clean off any residual adhesive that might be left over. And as you can see, I just scraped this thing with a plastic blade. And you really can't see anything, any kind of a discoloration or damage or anything. And it wouldn't be any worse than in a rock chip or anything else that I've got. So here, alternate way of doing things.